Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at 50 words and phrases that are important when you visit Austria. We cover phrases to say hello, to say how are you, to say goodbye or I don't know, and cover some Austrian food. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn 50 words and phrases that are very important in Austria and are often used. Let's start with some phrases to say hello. The most common way to say hello in formal context in Austria is Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. Among friends, many Austrians say Servus or Servus. Hallo is also common. Christi and Christine. Christi is used among friends, and Christine is rather formal. Now let's take a look at some phrases to say how are you and to answer it. The short form is Wie geht's? Wie geht's? A rather long form is Wie geht's dir denn? It's used among friends. Wie geht's Ihnen denn is rather formal. Wie geht's Ihnen denn? I've chosen 5 ways to answer, from very good to bad. Sehr gut is very good. You also can say sehr gut, danke, means very good, thank you. Gut is good, good. Jo is so comme ci comme ça in the middle. Jo Na ja, nicht so is fairly bad. Na ja, nicht so. Schlecht is bad, schlecht. But let's stay positive and take a look at some words to say good in Austrian German. For example, Leiwand. Leiwand. Another word for good is lässig, lässig. Or Glas, Glas. Words to say bad are for instance deppert, deppert, which is very common and often used. Also the phrase bist du deppert, bist du deppert. Blöd or blöd is also used to say bad, blöd. And ungut, ungut. It's not good, meaning ungut. Then there are 3 words that are really often used in Austrian German. For instance, oder. Oder has a lot of meanings and some people use it all the time. I've made a video about the various meanings of oder. If you're interested in it, please check it out. Another word is org, org, which can be translated as weird, strange, wild, org. And past is frequently used in Austria, past. It suits, it fits, it's okay, it's good, it's alright. You always can say past. There are several ways to say I'd like to have or I'm looking for. Ich hätt gern, ich hätt gern. Ich brauchet, ich brauchet. Ich suchet, ich suchet. And of course, size of drinks are very important. A halbe or halbe is half of a liter. Halbe. Seitel is a third of a liter. Seitel. Viertel is a quarter of a liter. Viertel. Achtel is an eighth of a liter. Achtel. Stampel is a shot. Stampel, 2 centiliters. Now let's take a look at some Austrian food. On my channel you also find a playlist about Austrian food, so if you're interested, please check it out. I've chosen some examples here. Frittatensuppe is a sliced pancake soup. Frittatensuppe. Wiener Schnitzel is very famous, the Wiener Schnitzel. Bradel is roast pork or lamb. Bradel. Backhändel is fried chicken. Backhändel. Leberkäse is a very popular type of sausage. You can eat it hot or cold. Leberkäse. Käseschmarrn is a sliced pancake. Käseschmarrn. Apfelstrudel or Apfelstrudel is apple strudel. Marillenknödel are apricot dumplings. Marillenknödel. Semmel is the word for bread roll. Semmel are very important. You find it all across the country. Semmel. If it's filled with Leberkäse, it's called Leberkäsesemmel. And in Austria you find a lot of different types of coffee. I've also produced a video about it. And now let's take a look at verlängerte. It's similar to an Americano, verlängerte. Now let's take a look at some additional useful words and phrases. If you want to say I don't know, there are two ways. You can say ich weiß nicht, or keine Ahnung. Trafik is a shop where you can buy papers, magazines, cigarettes or pens. Trafik. BIM. BIM is another word for tramway. BIM. Hoppala is a kind of an oops moment, but rather in a funny way. Hoppala. Nornkastel schauen is a difficult phrase. Nornkastel schauen means stare holes into the air. Nornkastel schauen. Now let's take it a very famous Austrian word, often used as a test if you really are able to speak Austrian German. It's Ohrkatzelschwarf. Ohrkatzelschwarf. It means tail of a squirrel. Ohrkatzelschwarf. And now let's take a look at some ways to say goodbye. Auf Wiederschauen. Auf Wiederschauen. Pfiati, singular, or pfiatech, plural. And Baba. Baba. I hope you're a bit more familiar with the phrases we covered in this video. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiederschauen, Pfiati und Baba.